living. They see the ambition, they know I'm past driven. Look, we are not the same, this is not a game. I was swerving through the city in and out of lanes.
All right, guys, what's up? We're back in the shop today with this super rad active Autowerke equal length mid pipe for the G80 and G82 M3 and M4 competitions and non-comp models. As you can see here, it's got this crazy, wild curved pipe to create some more length in the system so that both sides are both effectively the same length of exhaust pipe. Should sound really cool. We're going to kind of give you a quick overview of what it's like to remove the factory system and get this active auto equal length mid pipe installed. So let's go ahead and take a look at the car real quick. So here you can see the factory mid pipe still in place with this restrictive catalytic converter setup and OEM resonator and piping. The active auto is a lot more free flowing. There is no mid pipe or no resonator on the mid pipe and no cats anymore, secondary cats on the mid pipe. So it should flow a lot better, should sound a lot better. We'll get you guys some sound clips here after we're done. But here's a quick little look at where it goes. So it's from here, right about before the front of the diff, all the way up to the primary cats. So we're going to be replacing this whole section from here to here. Let's go ahead and get this thing off. All right, guys, so we got the active auto equal length mid pipe installed. We did previously, if you watch our other video, installing the Meisterschaft muffler on this car for axle back. These dual clamp setup that they have is kind of goofy, and so we did have to play around with that a little bit to get that fitted. But as far as the active auto mid pipe goes, it actually fits very well. It comes with this beautiful brace here that gives you extended clearance or more clearance for the X pipe there where the resonator used to go, and then this equal length pipe, the piece that makes it equal length here, is a little tight up here, so we had to just bend the heat shielding just a little bit to get a little extra clearance. But as far as install goes, it's pretty straightforward. You got two clamps here at the front, here and here, and then there would have been two more that we used to connect to the factory muffler, but we don't have the factory muffler, so we actually utilize the Meisterschaft clamps that came with the Meisterschaft exhaust. But yeah, it should basically work with any axle back or factory muffler that you have. Everything else is pretty straightforward. You got a hanger here that you got to swap over from the old mid pipe. It does utilize this factory crossover pipe. We thought originally that it did come with that, but it doesn't. No big deal. The pipe size is basically the same thing anyways. But overall, it looks beautiful. You got these welded on placards that say active auto, just to let everybody know that you got the active auto. It's got this beautiful X pipe. It's all TIG welded, stainless steel, and it looks really good in the car. And so we're excited to see how it sounds. Let's go ahead and do that.